Hi there and welcome to the very first episode of our journey. This journey is going to be started by learning programming languages, and the Python is the first language which we are going to learn. Python because it's the very basic language to study, not the easy one, but it is the basic. Many other programming languages are the extracts of this, and the reason for this is that Python can be used for web development, software development, online web creations, online web application development, and system scripting and solving complex mathematical problems. So let's get started by learning the very basics of Python. So we need to install it, so go to the start, open any Internet Explorer. I'm using Google Chrome. Type python.org. Press enter. Here is the website of Python, and search for the downloads. Here the download. Click on any operating system you're using. I'm using Windows, so Windows. Here you have to find for the Python 3.7.0, as it is the latest version when this video was recorded. Here is the Python 3.7.0, and in this we have to search for executable installer. Python 3.7.0 executable installer. I'm on 64-bit operating system, so Python 64-bit operating system executable installer. Click on it, download. Here I have downloaded, and open it. Don't forget to add Python 3.7.0 path. Click on the download install button. Wait while the installation is completing. I don't think it's gonna take a long time. Here it is downloaded. Close the window. For the Python in your start, as I'm using Windows. Search for the Python. Here you'll see a couple of things: Python 3.7.0 idle Python and Python 3.7.0 manual. Here is the idle. Go ahead and click it. Here is the user interface of Python 3.7.0. So just to make sure that you have successfully installed Python 3.7 in your computer or PC successfully, and you are ready to work in this, we need to do something. Type print bracket quotation. So what to type? Type, say, tech interest. I'm typing tech interest, quotation close and bracket close. Press enter. Whoa, it's working correctly. So that means you have successfully installed Python 3.7.0 in your computer, and you are ready to work with Python programming languages. So this was the first episode of your Python programming, and I hope I see you in the next video. So see you then, and in the next episode we'll be discussing about some mathematical terms and inputs and something cool and interesting. So see you there.